What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna talk about how my FTMO challenge is going, what my mistakes were, and yeah, so we're just gonna hop over all my trade recaps. So I took those trades. Yeah. So we're gonna go to the first one. So yeah. So like always, I forgot to copy in the news, but I don't care. Oh, I actually need to know if I can trade. Wait, let me open this shit up real quick. So, here's my weekly analysis. Oh no, that's the wrong shit one. So, okay, so it's probably the last one. Yes. Okay. So it was Monday. It was May 12th. So yeah. Let's go. So yeah, news. So on this day I would be able to take a trade. So I probably took one. So the first thing I look at is the daily bias. So if daily structure is bullish, and as you guys can see, structure is bullish, so daily bias bullish, price action is very bullish. So yes. Then the next time frame I look at is the 4 hour. The same thing. I look if price action is bullish, if it isn't. So yeah. Price action was even more bullish, yeah. So still the bias is in line. Then the 1 hour, it's also bullish, and yeah. So now I usually mark out session highs and lows like I did here, yeah. And now I want the session low to get swept. So we actually took out session lows and then got the 5-minute break of structure to the upside. So we probably took out these lows right here. Yeah, exactly. Here we took out these lows. Here market open, we took out the lows. Bam. This is pre-market open and this is market open, so don't mix it up. So in the real market we got a sweep, and then I wait for a 5-minute break of structure as confirmation. And as you guys can see, we got a 5-minute break of structure right on here. So the next thing I look at is an entry. So this is probably the 3-minute or the 5-minute. So I look for a fair value gap, order block. Yeah, I don't care. So here I would have seen an order block, but didn't get hit. This fair value gap also didn't get hit. So I marked out this fair value gap. So this is on the 5-minute, but on 3-minute it would have been probably got hit. Wait. Yeah. So I took it. I would have taken the trade off that, but I didn't took it because, bro, I don't know. I was dumb. It was a nice trade. It would have had a big risk to reward, and yeah. So I fucked up and I didn't took the trade because, yeah, my emotions were playing crazy this week. Yeah. I didn't took a bad setup. Yeah. I missed a very nice setup on the 3-minute. Yeah, so it was a 3-minute. Here's the better picture. It's the same chart, just 3 minutes. So here's the fair value gap we dipped in. So I could have taken that trade. Yeah, that's kind of sad because that I missed it, but it is how it is. So first trade, gone. And yeah, the day before I lost 2 times in a row. So yeah. So the next trade I took is on the 14th of May. Same thing. We have news. Oh, what did I do? We have news. Then we have daily bias bullish. Then 4-hour time frame is also bullish, and we dipped into the 4-hour fair value gap, so that signals bullish order flow. Then we swept out the lows from the fair value gap, like you can see here. Like we sweep down and then moved up. It's just, I don't know, I just mark it out because I see it. Then I marked out relevant lows for me to take a trade off. Yeah. So we hit the low. So we took out London session lows. And with that move, we also dipped into a high time frame fair value gap. And after that, we got a 5-minute break of structure. So, oh, what the fuck? Oh, wrong shit. So 5-minute break of structure here. here, the high, I marked it out, candle close above. Yeah. So now I'll wait for an order block or something else to enter. Oh shit. Sorry guys. Oh no. Yeah, even me, I'm not that consistent sometimes. So yeah, here marked out a massive order cock. But yeah. So yeah, we took the order cock. We moved up. I don't know if we moved up. Yeah, but that's the trade I took. Here, what can I improve? Yeah, I need to set my stop loss tighter. Oh, here actually we got cooked. Yeah. And one thing I learned this day is this was a high time frame for value gap and it didn't get filled in yet. So I should probably wait when we're in a fair value gap for it to get filled before I take a trade off. Because yeah, and I won't trade 1-to-1 risk reward. That's bad for me. Just 1 to 2. That's my minimum. But yeah, so that's why I said I will set my stop loss tighter from now on. So because if I take a trade and the trade doesn't go the way I want, it should stop me out. And it shouldn't be like it can go down and it has to go up later. So no, I want to catch the move where it exactly goes up. Yes. Okay, yeah, and also price movement wasn't that good because we had a high impact news week. And yeah, I mean on those 2 days we had no news. But yeah. So the next trade is 15th May. Here I wasn't able to trade, but I still took one, I think. Because yeah, like I said, I was kind of gambling. Daily bias is bullish, 4-hour bias is bearish, and 1 hour is bullish. So yeah, so if it's like that, 4 hours bearish, but 1 hour is bullish, and it looks like we're gonna change structure again, like we did here with the break of structure. For me, this 4-hour bias gets invalidated, and I would still take the trade. But there were news, so I would have not taken the trade. So yeah, like always, then I marked out London session highs and lows, and I also marked out high draws or low or just draws of liquidity. So up here we had a lot of liquidity. Yeah. But I didn't do any further analysis, so I probably didn't took a trade. Yeah, bro, my fucking journaling sucks. So the next day. This was 2 days ago, so on Friday. So daily bias was bullish. I still remember this day. Then the 4-hour time frame was also bullish. The 1 hour was also bullish. And yeah, I marked out the 1 hour fair value gap because I was pretty sure we're gonna hit that before we move up. And yeah. Then I also marked out London session and Asian session lows. And I set an alert to London session lows. So probably right here. No, right here, exactly. That was my mistake, yeah. So then I executed, like you can see here. So I basically wanted these London session lows to get swept. They got swept, we got a 5-minute break of structure, order block, and then we took the trade. So first mistake I did here is I marked out the London session wrong. This was the London session low actually, and yeah, that's why I lost this trade. Okay, then we actually swept the real London session lows. We got the 5-minute break of structure right here. And then we got a retracement into fair value gap, so I would have taken the trade here, stop loss below this low. Yeah. Or below this imbalanced price action, yeah, because I really want to set my stop loss tighter. So yeah, so this is the trade, by the way, we didn't took. So that's the trade we took, that's the one we didn't took. So yeah, the trade would have worked out. I actually made some money on the trade because I forgot to stop my orders, so we got into the trade right here and took this with us. So my P&L for the day is like 0 or minus 20, 10, yeah, minus 20. Yeah, so the days there's a lot of room for improvement. Firstly, I didn't mark out long session lows correctly, exactly. Oh, what did I do? So yeah, let's go down again. So let's look at the picture. So London session lows, these are also London session lows, and these aren't. I will always take the lowest point. So we oh, sorry, I'm tired. Yeah. My biggest mistake was just that I marked out London session lows wrong, and yeah, that sucks because I could have, if I didn't trade emotionally, I would be already like $600 up in the funded account or something, and now because I trade emotionally, I'm down 400 or something. Yeah. So that were the trades I took, and yeah. And by the way, if you want this template for my trading journal, you can get it on my Etsy. If you go to my Insta, it should be linked. You can go my link tree, and there are the 2 products that I created. One is the funded account or just trading journal template. It's really nice, and I improved it. Like here, if you go into a new page now, you have the entries, and here now you can add an extra, how you call it, just an extra note. Yeah, so you can write more and paste in and you can paste in another picture. Yeah, here are screenshots, just the results, then execution plan, and then emotions felt. That's really important because you see on my trades, if I have FOMO or just any other emotion than calm, then I usually lose the trade. And then just quick reflection, yeah. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or any tips for me, I'm free to listen, I'm free to learn, and yeah, so see you guys, bye.